Oh, you know we are coming to Clementon Park. It's practically a tradition. Hey everybody, it's Paul 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and you know we're back here at Clementon Park. And this is a yearly tradition here. We've been coming here since this park has opened up again, which I believe is the 4th year now and stuff like that. Now, my main reason for being here today is I want to do a brand new explore, because actually a lot of things are new. Like the carousel was not here before, so there's a lot of stuff, a lot of changes. Now I will give you guys a heads up, there's a lot of rides that are currently down just because of the fact that they can't get parts. They're having a tough time getting parts for some of these older rides. But all in all, today I am here to enjoy Clementon Park. I never get to enjoy the park, so I'm hoping to film quick and then spend the rest of the day riding one of those rafts here. But if you haven't gone to Clementon Park yet, you know what? Let's do a montage. All right, it took about 40 minutes, but I did a full walkthrough of Splash World. I also did the walkthrough of Clementon and the Kittyland, so that is all up to date here. It is getting hotter, but I still have a couple more things I want to do today. So I'm going to go do a Let's Eat. We're going to refresh the Let's Eat, and then we're going to do a Inside the Merch. And then I want to also do, we all have our white whales, and I want to do a POV of that Ferris wheel. So I'm taking one for the team today here, so that will be on my agenda. But yeah, like I said, a couple things that are kind of neat about Clementon was, first of all, they moved the carousel. But let me show you the other thing that I thought was pretty cool. They did give me a hint of what it is, but they do not want me to say anything until the official announcement is done. And also, by the way, they've done a lot more with the rides. These rides are a lot newer. I'm sorry, games. These games are a lot newer. A lot fresh. The darts, you actually have darts, which is nice, not the bean bags and stuff like that. But let me show you what the main thing coming up down the pike is. And it reminds me of Niagara last year, where all of a sudden I turned around and the flyer was gone, and they had a contraction kind of like this, just right smack in the middle of an area. And that's what they're doing again here, right smack in the middle of the area is the right here is Pharaoh's Flight. But right next to that, there's going to be a big attraction coming soon. So definitely make sure you're checking Facebook and all that. Also brand new is Traveling Toms. But yeah, that's the thing that caught my eye right here is they will be having something big right here. This is where the carousel was. And pretty soon there's going to be a new flat ride right here. And they told me it's the only one in the country. So it's going to be something that's new and unique. Might not be modern, but it is the last of a kind. So that's what we're definitely interested in seeing. All right, you know, sometimes I think it's destiny, because I was getting ready, there's nobody on the Ferris wheel. So I was all excited about going on the Ferris wheel and getting that POV, because you know I love heights, and no single riders. I have no friends, but you know what? It's destiny there. I don't need to go on something that's going to give me a heart attack when I do it. So that's a sign there that I shouldn't be on the Ferris wheel there. So we're going to give you guys another montage, and then I'm going to start doing the Let's Eat here at Clementon Park, because there is a lot of new food places this time. All right, so we just finished doing the Let's Eat over here at Clementon Park and Splash World. So very productive day, and it's tempting to actually spend a day here because as you can tell from the water park here, it's fairly empty. You got a lot of people there in the lazy river, but lazy river is pretty good. I love this area up here because you can see everything. So I'll be taking some new thumbnail photos up here, but this is the Castaway Bay. Over there's a lazy river. over there is the big wave pool in the background there. And there's the Laguna Kahuna, which is their big splash pad there. But then also over here, let me show you this, because you kind of forget that this park is centered around a lake. So let's show you the right up here. You can actually see Clementon Lake, and you know why this park is still here. And they got a lot of room for expansion too, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, right here, this is Clementon Lake. The lazy river goes all the way around there. There's the Kahuna Laguna. Over there is Hellcat, which is getting the RMC treatment, people. So it's going to be, I rode it when it first opened up again. It was, they only let you on the front car because the back car is so rough. But that should be opening soon. And then also my favorite log flume, one of my favorite log flumes, top 5, is over there too. So, and that is the King Neptune. So, but yeah, you usually don't get to see the beauty of this park. So I figured I'd show you that real quick here. And most of my filming is done. So now I got to come up with a decision. Am I going to keep filming, or am I going to go to Sahara Sam's? So let's do a montage and I'll let you know. All right, so we're ready for part 2 of the day here. So this says Big Kahuna's, but it's actually Sahara Sam's. It is the second park in the IB family here in New Jersey. They just purchased this in, I guess it was November they actually bought it there. So good old IB Parks is expanding here. And like I said before, there's actually a membership that you can actually get this and Clementon Park for, I think, $6.99 a month. So it's a great little thing there. But I came in here, I told them who I was, and they were gracious. They let me film in the whole 9 yards. They actually gave me a shirt that actually allows me access anywhere I want to go. So I'm going to go and do a walkthrough real quick here of the entire thing, and then I'll let you guys know what's going on. So check out a montage of that walkthrough. All right, I'm back here in the arcade section, and I literally did the full walkthrough of Sahara Sam's, which you saw some of the clips a second ago, and I just knocked out a Let's Play, which when you talk about water parks, you usually don't expect to see a Let's Play. So the fact that I was able to actually do a Let's Play was kind of interesting to me here. I still want to do a Let's Eat, and then I want to knock out a couple of things on the slides and stuff. So I do got a little bit more stuff I want to do. Let's Eat. There is no merch and there is no shows. So if I can knock out Let's Eat, I'll feel pretty good about myself here. But this arcade was a pleasant surprise. I did not expect to see an arcade in the water park. So all in all, that was a win. But yeah, let me go work on Let's Eat. All right, so our extended park day here at IB Parks has been fantastic. I just knocked out a little bit more videos. I just knocked out the Let's Eat here. So I did Let's Eat, Let's Play. Of course, this is our park day that you're watching right now. I'm doing a couple shorts of a couple things as I come across them. Lazy River's kind of cool. They have like a adult grotto and stuff like that. And of course, you got a giant bucket that's going to tip right about now. And that kid got crushed. And the water gets pretty close to me, but does not hit me here. So I'm going to do a couple more shorts, a couple more spotlights, and then you know what? It is only 3 o'clock, so they gave me a pass that I can play the day away. So I'm going to kick back and play. So let's do another montage. Why not? Let's do it. Hey! right, so I have filmed everything I could possibly want to film here at this park. And I'm not saying that because there's not a lot of stuff. I just always get into work mode. We did a let's eat, a let's play, a full explore, 2 spotlights, and like 10 shorts. So we are good to go. And they actually were nice enough to allow me to come in here. So I got about 2 hours. Now I'm going to kick back and actually enjoy this water park, which is something I never get to do. I'm definitely going to use the lazy river. I'm going to enjoy the bar. I'm going to have a good time. So, all right. So it's been about an hour since I last checked in with you guys. And there's a reason for that. I actually got to enjoy the water park. So let me tell you about a couple things that I was actually completely shocked about when I actually got to enjoy the water park. So I got to ride all the slides, and I did all the did the lazy river, went outside, did the wave pool and stuff like that. So let me show you real quick here a couple things that I thought were pretty cool. So first of all, we're going to go over by the mat slides. The mat slides are, like I said, all the way over here in the far corner, and they are fantastic mat slides. Both of them are kind of mirrors, so as you whip around there, I've never been a big fan of the mat slides just because of the fact that you know, you have your face kind of there, and wearing contacts I'm always worried. But those 2 mat slides were simply fantastic, and you can actually see them really good out here by the window. So let me show you real quick here outside the mat slides. So you can tell right there are 2 different ones there, and they're both they kind of mirror each other, and they are, it's all twists, it's all turns, really nice serpentine. So highly recommend mat slides for somebody who doesn't like them. And usually when you get the mat slides, you kind of have that you're basically going downstairs like bang bang bang, almost like a potato sack. So that was a nice twist. Now the one thing I was a little bit bummed on was I couldn't go on the big raft ride that those kids are getting off of right now, mainly because of the fact that you can't do it solo. You need to have at least 2 people, I believe, is the minimum. But let me tell you about the slides over here. So you got Snake Eyes and Riptide. So the green one here is the darker ride. It just flew in on that end there. Whoa, this got wet. But both these are really good here, but I actually like the I actually enjoy the purple one better. But here's something I did not even realize. So you come over here, it's called Mile Nile. And right here is actually a body slide, if you can believe it. There's actually a body slide here that I did not know about when I first came in. And it basically, you go up there, and it's right in the middle, and it's called Mile Nile. And it is a really good body slide. It's probably one of the best ones I've been on. And then the other thing too is, so you see this thing right in front of you here, it's spitting out, right? Well, inside there, it actually spits out also. But the neat thing about it is, it's not consistent. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. So it kind of alternates. And then also with the lazy river, you see those fountains all the way over here, all the way back there. See those things shooting up? Notice they go higher and they go lower. They adjust. So that is something that I never saw before either. So a lot of things about this park really surprised me today. And in particular, like I said, this body slide I never saw until I got up there. I said, what's Mile Nile? And they're like, oh, it's a body slide. So, and then the tubes, fantastic. So all in all, these slides are great. And the surprises on the lazy river, especially that, when I went through it, it was not going, and got halfway through and then it started pouring on me. So a lot of neat little things here at this park. So I'm gonna grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna do our exit. All right, so I always want to show people when it's inside park there. You get to see the outside where they land, but here is all the slides that are shooting out of this building there. So you can actually see the body slide and all the other ones there. So the yellow guy up there and the teal one up there, those are the 2 tube slides. And then let's cut over this way quick. Always like this kind of thing here. So I'm gonna add it in there. There's 2 slides right there. There's the green and the red and orange guys right there. Those are the 2 actual mat slides because they shoot out of there. So that's the second section there. But those are there, and the body slide is that small guy right there. That's a good body slide. And of course, this big guy here is the raft ride. So let me step back a little bit here so you can see all the huge slides that are there. So this is what you see the indoors, but I wanted to make sure you can see the outdoors. And don't forget the mat slides over there. So, but that is a jumble mess of fun, people. All right, so there you go. That is our day. Originally at Clementon Park, but now we end up doing a double IB Parks. And you know what? I can honestly say I'm so happy I was able to get to both of these parks today. Really, IB Parks, I know, let's be honest. If you look at Clementon Park and what's going on for this year, you might be a little disappointed because Hellcat's not on. You got King Neptune down, you got a couple of the flat rides down. But what you got to see is, in the last 4 years, these parks have gone through a lot of adjustments and a lot of changes. And adding Big Kahuna into Sahara Sam's was a huge win for IB Parks, because now you got two that you can actually work together with memberships. And when it comes to Clementon Park, you got to realize that in the future, Clementon Park is going to be in amazing shape. They are spending the money to RMC, topper tracking the park, which is huge for Hellcat. And you know, they're spending a lot of money. There's a brand new flat ride going in. I can't tell you what it is, don't ask me, but there is a new flat ride coming in. So there's a lot of money being spent on Clementon Park. The future looks great there. And like I said, this outdoor area is fantastic, but the fact that they have a year-round park now is also huge for IB Park. So today became an IB Park day. I got to play a little bit here at Sahara Sam's. Got to check out one of my favorite parks with Clementon Park. Gotta say it's a great day, but let me know your thoughts on Clementon Park, and have you ever been to Sahara Sam's? Let us know in the comment section. But this is our park day, and I hope you like it, and I can't wait to see you in the queue in 2025.